It's time for the Intense 5. Let's do this. Good New York Fashion Week and two of the biggest female rappers decide to fight. Shoes get thrown, elbows connect. It was an embarrassment. Anyways, Vivica A. Fox went public saying that Nicki's a set-on and she pushed Cardi over the edge. What do you think? I think so.
I don't think it was a fight, number one.
I don't think it was a fight, but
No,
I think Nicki
it was not a
provoking
fight.
her.
But
I don't see Cardi provoking Nicki at all. Cardi
But
minds
why,
her
but why
business.
Cardi take the draw? Nicki call her name?
She said Nicki did a talk about her child.
Where is the receipt?
You could have heard
Oh.
in other video. All me
Where
hear
is
shuffling.
the... That's what
crumbling,
I'm saying.
whatever.
There is no
Alright,
proof.
okay.
Wanna leave Nicki alone.
Wanna leave Cardi alone.
Wanna leave Nicki
Okay,
alone.
so clearly me and you are the sacrifice. Who are gonna leave with the cocoa? Who are gonna leave with the
You.
cocoa? Okay.
Firebombing a police station? Really? Why?
Since when are gunmen the defenders of the earth? She couldn't have it serious.
Drake has a girlfriend, and no, her name is not Kiki, it's Bella. She's 18 and just left high school and is the daughter of music producer Jimmy Jams.
Interesting.
Yeah.
And finally holding the spot this week, traffic.
Me say,
No sir, everywhere you go, no matter what corner, crevice, nowhere, traffic is everywhere.
Everywhere.
There is no more back road routes.